When was the last time you made 500 in a day? How about in just half an hour? I've been in trading for 8 years and my win rate is 88.9%. I started from zero and worked my way up to owning my own apartment, a Mercedes G-Wagon and my very own successful traders club. Now, over 19,000 people follow my moves, get 500 or more every single day by using my strategies. I want you to join us. I'll give you everything you need to get started. Support, advice, a step-by-step plan. All you have to do is follow along if you are ready. Click the link, grab this amazing opportunity, and start turning things around today. I'm personally inviting you to join my circle of successful traders. Alright, I'm all set up. Let's quickly pick our key players. Done. Now to set up the indicators. Everything's ready. All right, our first patient today. Here is the situation. I see the resistance level has been broken and the indicators are confidently pointing up. So let's ride this impulse upward. Aha, just as expected, it's climbing. The first session is like a morning workout. Nice and energetic. Let's move on. Now, this one's interesting. A slowdown after a big drop. It's like the market took a deep breath and went, "Phew, that's enough." The indicators are tired of hanging low and are starting to climb back up. Let's give it a chance for an upward correction. Now that's what I call a solid start. Moving on to the next one. And here is a gift for you. Today you can get an extra 50% added to your deposit. But only the first 15 people who message me, "I want a promo code," will get it. Click the link in the description, send me a message, and be one of the lucky first. Don't wait, go for it. Next up, we've got a tech giant here. I see the correction is over and the indicators are like, "Hey, we're back in action." It'd be seen not to follow the trend. All right, Apple, don't let me down. I'm rooting for you. Boom! That's what I call a reliable teammate. Everything went perfectly. No time to relax though, let's keep going. Next up, AltPal MX. This one's straight out of the textbook. The trend is moving up, took a little break for a correction, and now the indicators are charging back up like a battery. What does that mean? That's right, the trend will continue. And there it is, trend confirmed. Who is the genius here? Oh, our first player is back, but now the situation's different. After a long climb, the market's clearly slowing down. Indicators are saying we've hit the peak. You know what that means? Time for a correction downward. Bingo! That's what it means to feel the rhythm. On to the next one. Sometimes there is never enough time in the day. Work, responsibilities, and maybe even trying to sneak in some rest. How can you do it all? Let me help. Join my Traders Club. 19,000 people are already making 500 a day with me. I take care of the hard stuff, analyzing the market, finding entry points, and showing it all to my followers. They just follow along, spend only 15-20 minutes a day, and use their rewards to buy new iPhones, go on vacations, and check off items from their wish lists. You can celebrate and still take advantage of market opportunities. Click the link in the description and the pinned comment to get started. Now, here's a totally different story. The market's taken off like a rocket, surging straight upward. The indicators are all in agreement, like we're with you. And I'm like, all right, count me in. Jumping in on the movement, hang on tight. Wow, that's some power, just as planned. Let's wrap it up. And here's our favorite tech giant back in action. Here's the setup. The impulse has reached a level, and on the left side of the chart you can see an accumulation it previously broke upward from. Alright, we're going for a retest and expecting a bounce. As they say, Apple never disappoints. Let's see what you've got. Oh, what a beautiful finish, friends! That's what working with a strategy and understanding the market looks like. Here's my final thoughts. This strategy works, and it works like magic. When your analysis is spot on, the results won't keep you waiting. Stick with me, join my Successful Traders Club while I head back to breaking down charts with my followers. See you in the next session, and remember, staying calm and having a clear plan always leads to success. See you soon!